Afam bụ Uzoamaka Nkemdilim Nwankpa. Abụ m onye Igbo. My name is Uzoamaka Nkemdilim Nwankpa. I am an Igbo woman. When I got the message that I was coming to this foreign land, the United States of America, the land of milk and honey, I wore my wig. I fixed my walk. I watched Coming to America again. My voice mastered a new identity. My name forgotten. Uzoamaka Nwankpa. Uzi Nwankpa. Uzi. Uz. Uzo. Life actually turned out like the movie Coming to America, although there is no such place like Zamunda. Nor am I a part of the top 1% of the rich in Africa. Akim's experience in America is quite similar to mine. Camouflaged in skin that no longer belonged to me, I had so many expectations given to me, and dancing was not one of them. Get your Western degree, go to school, be the best. Don't behave like those Black Americans we see in movies. Or don't marry a white man, no. Or get your education, then marriage, then children. Or husband must be Christian, educated, of the Igbo tribe, and able to bring the moon to you. You see, I did everything I could to assimilate, to survive. My talk, my walk, my hair. Can we talk about my hair? My identity became chaotic. In America, I am Black. In Black America, I am African. And in Africa, I am a queer maiden, unmarried, without the fruit of the womb. We, Blacks, African descendants, are constantly salvaging and scraping whatever is left of our identities, the hidden truths of our indigenous connections, who we truly are. I often ask myself, who am I? Is the African woman visible in this country? Am I not to exist? Am I to become Black American? When immigration knocks on my door, my heart still jumps. This fear, this illusion is enough to drive me insane. I mean, I pray, I dance, I switch, I swivel, I glide, I mourn, I bleed, I fly, I swear. My generational traumas, they continue to haunt me. They haunt my mother. They haunt my child. You see, some of us do not survive in this here land of milk and honey. But I survived. People have a way of dealing with me, tearing apart what they cannot pronounce or conceive of. Hey you, why don't you jump around, all jungle-like, do your little African dance? You, extorting the answers out of me. I asked you for some patience, but you, pearly white, drumming gestures, aspiring to be the one that beats, rather than the one subject to the beatings, held up to signify how many years I should dance for you, like I am your slave. Yes, I learned kuku, sofa, yemama, kakilambe, jole from from a white girl from Michigan who changed her mask to match the one I left behind. You see, I felt ashamed, but I wanted to be informed, so I danced, and I danced it hard, despite the numerous cultures that exist in West Africa. In this land of milk and honey, they make it all sound like one sound. I am not afraid to be the never-ending bridge. I am not afraid to be the never-ending bridge.